How's it going, everyone? James here, coming at you with something a little different today. How many of you watch Netflix? I'm gonna assume a vast majority of anyone viewing this video not only casually watches Netflix, but will go all out and binge an entire Netflix series. Sometimes by yourself or with friends, sometimes chilling with a significant other. Either way though, the point is Netflix has become ubiquitous with the times and is one of the primary ways we consume online video today. With that said, we don't typically tend to discuss Netflix compatibility as a metric in our main VPN reviews, so today we're gonna flip the script and go in on a top 3 video discussing the best VPNs that work with Netflix. So for context, let's just start by addressing why you'd want to watch Netflix whilst on a VPN in the first place, for those out there who are wondering. In addition to maintaining your network security and privacy, accessing Netflix from a VPN has other benefits as well. Netflix has an extensive catalog of content as it is, and the crazy thing is, there's probably much more content that you're not being shown. This is due to geo-restricted access to certain shows or programming. A VPN allows you to bypass and access this content that you normally wouldn't be allowed to access due to your location. For instance, there are some popular Netflix programs that are only accessible in the UK, like Doctor Who or Orphan Black. A VPN would ideally allow you to bypass this by connecting to a VPN server located in the UK. However, it's not always that easy, and Netflix forbids the access of content outside your region and mentions this in their terms and conditions. With that said, the following VPN are what we consider the best, and not only getting you past Netflix's geo-locking, but keeps you private and secure while doing so. So coming in at number 3 on the list is CyberGhost. Now this is a VPN we didn't rate as highly as some of the other top VPNs in our review. However, one thing it does excel at is its compatibility with Netflix and other streaming services as well. In most cases, trying to access region-locked content can be a process of trial and error, logging in and out of VPN servers to see which regions you'll actually be able to unlock. CyberGhost though makes this easy work for you with its streaming category. While accessing its list of server locations worldwide, you can actually navigate to the streaming filter to narrow down the broad list of servers to only the best for streaming. The result obviously contains best recommendations for Netflix, but also the most optimized servers for other streaming services such as Crunchyroll, Spotify, NBC, Hulu, so on and so forth. This makes it a breeze to connect to the exact server you need. One caveat in streaming content from UK Netflix in specific is the fact that you will need to purchase a UK Netflix account with a UK IP address. As stated on the CyberGhost website, this is due to the fact that Netflix detects the country you purchase a subscription for. So coming in at number 2 on the list is NordVPN. We reviewed NordVPN before, and it's one of the most well-rounded and complete VPNs out there when it comes to both worldwide speeds and security. One reason why people may avoid watching Netflix whilst connected to a VPN server is due to the potential dip in download speeds. However, this isn't really the case with NordVPN, as it features consistent download speeds anywhere in the world, so you'll hardly notice any difference while trying to stream Netflix from it. In addition to amazing speeds, however, NordVPN excels at getting around geo-blocked streaming services with its proprietary Smart Play feature. This allows NordVPN unblocked access to Netflix in the United States, UK, Netherlands, Canada, and Japan, whilst also giving access to other services such as BBC iPlayer, ABC iView, and Hulu. Factor in Nord just being an all-around powerhouse VPN on every other front with regard to security, speed, privacy, and encryption, and you've got yourself one of the best and most secure VPNs for Netflix usage. So finally, our number 1 VPN pick for Netflix and streaming compatibility is ExpressVPN. Much like NordVPN before it, Express boasts incredible speeds anywhere in the world with military-grade security and privacy. The reason Express gets a nod over Nord as our number 1 VPN for Netflix compatibility though is its assuredness in facilitating 24/7 access and unblocking of the service from almost anywhere in the world. As previously mentioned, it can be a bit of trial and error with some VPNs to figure out which servers are most optimized to unblock Netflix. However, ExpressVPN's customer support are renowned for being incredibly helpful and will point you in the right direction should you ever need assistance with choosing a server to unblock Netflix. Another useful feature that adds to ExpressVPN's compatibility with Netflix is its Media Stream DNS. This will allow you to unblock Netflix on devices that don't typically support VPNs, such as Apple TVs and game consoles like the PS4. And again, like Nord, this is all in addition to just being a world-class VPN with amazing security and speeds in general. So that pretty much wraps up this top 3 list of VPNs that work best with Netflix. Obviously, Netflix and other streaming services aren't going to allow unabated access to region-locked content lying face down, and they will continue to improve their VPN detection. However, it's nice to see VPNs fighting to allow unrestricted access for their customers. So with that in mind, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could drop the video a thumbs up. Let us know what you thought in the comment section below, and if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe. Again, my name is James, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace!